In the early stages of your pregnancy, your baby's head develops more quickly than the rest of the body, making your embryo appear quite top-heavy.
At this point, your embryo's facial features are becoming more distinctive by the day. The eyes are fully formed now, though they're still fused shut. And earlobes, nose, nostrils, and mouth have all begun to form. By the end of this week, your embryo will measure 2/3 of an inch and weigh just a fraction of an ounce. In other words, that baby in your belly is about the size of a grape. Also changing this week is your baby's heart, which will finish splitting into 4 chambers and begin to form valves. Tiny baby teeth buds also start developing, as do internal reproductive organs like testes or ovaries. Your embryo's other systems and organs are all essentially present and accounted for by now, though they will of course continue developing. And the news in terms of your placenta is that it is now mature enough to fully support the developing pregnancy, which means it can produce hormones as well as feed your baby. What a busy few days for you and your little one. For more video updates, check back next week.